All right, Patrick, looks like things are really starting to heat up in the tropics now, and we expect this to continue here over the next several weeks as we get towards the heart of hurricane season, which comes up late August, early September. This right here is our first disturbance that we're watching. This is the same one that's been giving us extra chances for rain the past couple of days as it bypassed Florida yesterday. You can see a few thunderstorms trying to develop near it, but the hurricane hunters have been out there and have not really found anything well-defined just yet, but it is getting better organized. This Invest 91, and then we have Tropical Storm GONZALO that developed earlier today and continues to track towards the west now, right about 45 degrees west longitude, I should say, and then heading off towards the west, towards the Lesser Antilles, so kind of in a west-northwest fashion. That one is looking a little bit more organized. As of the 5 o'clock advisor, winds at 50. Expected to become a minimal hurricane here, so the intensity has come up a little bit with the latest forecast tracks, but it's expected to encounter some hostile conditions in the Caribbean, and several of the global models, the long-range models like the American and the European, do eventually weaken the storm and dissipate it as it moves deeper into the Caribbean. This time of year, the Caribbean is not terribly favorable for tropical development or sustaining tropical cyclones, but you can see that the general track is off towards the west-northwest, and given the pattern, if it does happen to survive, it's most likely going to be heading out into the Gulf somewhere, likely not going to be turning north towards Florida, but we'll keep an eye on it nonetheless. But it looks like it's going to weaken as it gets into the Caribbean. At least that's the way it looks right now. With this next system, we've got a 90% chance of development over the next 5 days. With this one, we think it's a good chance it'll become a depression before it heads towards the Texas coast. And right now, looks like the coastal band up towards the upper Texas coast, best chances for seeing a potential landfall there with likely more heavy rain. They had some last week. Looks like parts of southeast Texas are going to get even more rainfall with this system over the next several days towards the end of the week. We're having some showers across our area right now. Showed these at the top of the hour, continuing to rain across DeSoto County, Charlotte County, and into parts of Glades County, just off to the south and west of Palmdale. But most of the rain appears to be winding down. Looks like tonight skies will be mostly cloudy. Temperatures in the mid-70s now. That's where we'll be tomorrow morning. Showers and storms in the forecast throughout the day tomorrow. And just like what we saw today, temperatures are going to be held down due to the thick cloud cover across the area. And as long as this system continues pulling west, we're on the east side of it, so we're going to get kind of more of this southeasterly fetch of moisture across our area. That means tomorrow and perhaps maybe even a part of Friday, we're going to see more bands of rain moving across our area, although I do think as it gets farther away from us, it will have less of an influence, especially as we go into Friday. You can see the skies staying mostly cloudy tomorrow, chance for showers and storms throughout the morning and afternoon, off and on throughout the day, and then lesser chances for rain on Friday, but the clouds are going to stick around for a bit. We're going to keep those chances for rain in the forecast as more bands of moisture rotate around that system headed our way. So mostly cloudy. Could see an isolated shower overnight tonight. Otherwise, just kind of warm and humid. Lows in the mid-70s, 85 for tomorrow. Showers and storms in the forecast. So again, the cloud cover keeping temperatures down. Small craft need to continue to exercise caution tomorrow as winds will be out of the southeast 10 to 20 knots. Seas running 2 to 3 feet with showers and storms in the forecast. 7-day forecast. High temperatures getting back up close to 90 by Friday with more sunshine. Low 90s for the weekend. Afternoon and evening storms in the forecast here for the upcoming weekend as well.
To get ahead.